Did you know studies show seniors over 60 lose 3 to 8% of muscle every 10 years? This is medically called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. You might notice it. Simple tasks, once easy, carrying bags or climbing stairs, feel heavier, more difficult. This is natural aging, but science gives solutions. Many think the answer is protein powders alone, expensive supplements in markets. Studies show reliance on them alone is not always best. They may strain kidneys or stomach. Good news, there are natural, stronger, gentler alternatives, easily available at home. For example, the Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows natural amino sources, milk, yogurt, oats with nuts, work better than supplements. The body absorbs natural foods gradually, consistently, boosting muscle strength and health directly. The question arises, why do seniors eat regularly yet feel weak and tired? The answer is simple. The body after 60 needs special protein sources, rich in leucine amino, key to stimulate muscle growth. Without it, protein fails. No need for heavy meat or complex supplements. There is a simple drink made in minutes daily that provides proteins, vitamins, and minerals, helps rebuild muscles safely, boosts energy and vitality, protects bones and joints. Studies prove it rivals, even surpasses commercial protein powders. Muscle maintenance goes beyond strength. Strong muscles improve balance, ease movement, prevent falls, control blood sugar, protect heart and mood. Not just aesthetics, essential for seniors' health. Now you may ask, what is this drink? How to prepare it? Which ingredients make it powerful? We will show, step by step, an easy, practical morning routine that gives energy and strength daily. Tips for best timing, integrating with meals naturally, avoiding common mistakes seniors make while trying to rebuild muscles after 60. Stay until the end. This info changes thinking about nutrition after 60, helps regain vitality and youth, and focuses on senior health daily. Did you know muscles weaken immediately after age 60? Studies confirm strength loss, 3 to 8% every 10 years, roughly. This is called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, due to natural protein deficit and essential amino acids. Seniors need more protein, not just ordinary food, but leucine-rich sources. This amino triggers muscles directly. A 2019 U.S. study, published in the Journal of Nutrition, confirmed leucine is essential to prevent rapid muscle loss. Without it, the body weakens even with daily meat. Is protein powder the answer, or expensive supplements? The truth is different. After 60, the body is sensitive. Kidneys and liver weaker, cannot handle artificial protein well. Too much powder strains the liver, raises enzymes rapidly. A 2020 UK study published in Clinical Nutrition Journal confirmed excess synthetic protein increases liver disease risk and causes kidney problems. So, what is the best solution? Answer is simple, safe, healthy. A natural morning drink gives complete balanced protein, helps build muscles naturally, boosts immunity, protects bones, improves digestion and mood, made in minutes, easily. Here, the real story starts. First, the drink is milk, but not just any milk. A cup of whole, natural cow or plant-based milk, like soy or oat. Why milk is best. Rich in natural calcium, contains casein protein, slow digesting for long-lasting muscle feed. Lactose gives instant energy for movement, walking, daily activities. A 2018 Canadian study, published in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, showed morning milk increases muscle growth by 30% compared to powder protein. Milk also helps absorb calcium, protects bones from fragility, a common issue after 50 or 60. The drink gets stronger and better when adding collagen powder. Natural collagen strengthens joints, keeps ligaments flexible, reduces common knee pain. A 2019 Japanese study confirmed. Collagen with milk improves joint flexibility by 40%, reduces joint pain significantly. What if we add cinnamon? Cinnamon regulates blood sugar, improves circulation, reduces inflammation, enhances insulin sensitivity. A 2021 Indian study showed daily cinnamon reduces blood sugar by 12%, prevents dangerous spikes, especially in senior diabetics. Thus, we get a golden drink, milk with collagen and cinnamon. Simple, cheap, easy to make, found in almost every home. Timing is important. Best taken in the morning, about 1 hour after waking, with a light snack like oats or a banana, to boost protein absorption faster. Drink daily, regularly. Consistency is key. The body needs constant nutrition, not a single dose. Studies confirm this. A 2022 U.S. study showed seniors drinking daily milk with simple additions maintained 25% more muscle than those who didn't drink it. This means more energy and movement, easier walking and lifting without fatigue or fear of falling. Even sleep improves. Casein provides slow protein at night, reduces muscle breakdown, makes muscles stronger by morning. This drink protects the heart. Milk is rich in potassium, lowers blood pressure, protects blood vessels regularly. Seniors reported improved mood, felt more energy every day. The secret is natural balance, not complex supplements. I recommend everyone try it. Next, I will explain other healthy drinks that support muscles and increase strength after 60. After discussing milk importance, let's move now to the second effective drink. A simple, globally loved drink, high protein and easily absorbed. It is Greek yogurt. Why yogurt is important. Rich in casein and protein, also contains probiotics, good bacteria for digestion. Improves absorption, strengthens body, uses nutrients fully. A 2019 study in the British Journal of Nutrition showed daily yogurt intake improves muscle mass by 18%, compared to none at all. Not only that, it strengthens immunity, reduces internal inflammation, which weakens muscles over time. 1 cup daily is enough, provides essential protein for seniors. Greek yogurt is high in protein, double compared to regular yogurt. 1 cup equals 20 grams, enough for a daily senior meal. Add berries like strawberries, blueberries, or grapes, boost benefits immediately. Berries are rich in antioxidants, fight aging, preserve cells. 20 U.S. study in the Journal of Gerontology confirmed daily berries improve memory, reduce inflammation, protect muscles from damage. Thus, yogurt and berries act as a protective shield against aging muscle loss, critical after age 60. Many rely on meat, but it is hard to digest, heavy for the stomach. Yogurt is easier, lighter. Great choice in the morning or evening. No side effects, soothes the stomach, promotes deep sleep. Yogurt contains calcium too, protects bones from fragility, a common issue in seniors. A 2018 Swedish study showed daily yogurt reduces fracture risk by 25%, gradually improves bone density. We now have a complete drink, nourishes muscles and bones, provides excellent daily energy. Add a teaspoon of chia or ground flax seeds. Benefits increase remarkably. Seeds are rich in omega-3, healthy natural fats, protect heart and blood vessels, reduce dangerous inflammation. A 2021 Canadian study showed daily chia seeds improve muscle mass by 15%, reduce chronic joint pain, especially in senior women. So 1 cup of Greek yogurt with a handful of fresh berries and a teaspoon of chia seeds gives a strong, healthy mix. Better than artificial protein, better than heavy meat. Easy to prepare, tasty, refreshing, suitable for diabetics, regulates blood sugar, prevents dangerous spikes. A 2017 U.S. study in Diabetes Care Journal confirmed probiotics in yogurt improve insulin response, reduce diabetes risk by 14% compared to those not eating it. Not just a simple drink, but complete nutritional therapy, restores body balance, protects against aging problems. Greek yogurt is also rich in magnesium, an essential mineral for muscles. Supports contraction and relaxation, reduces painful cramps. 1 cup covers 20% of daily needs. helps night cramps, reduces post-walk muscle tightness, promotes deeper, calmer sleep. Yogurt is not an ordinary meal, but a complete health drink for everyone over 60. Accessible, easy, cheap, no complex recipes needed. Next, we will discuss the third drink in the series, which boosts energy and improves health. After discussing the second drink, now it's time to discover the third healthy drink full of benefits, known by many, but secrets often missed. Today, we reveal details, scientifically explained. The third drink is ginger tea, a traditional ancient drink rich in nutrients, used medicinally for thousands of years, especially in China and India, still popular worldwide today. Scientific studies proved its benefits. The University of Miami conducted research with over 120 participants involved. Results showed clear inflammation reduction and improved blood circulation noticeably. 1 cup daily boosts immunity, contains strong antioxidants, fights free radicals effectively, protects cells from constant damage, and slows aging signs naturally. Ginger aids digestion, reduces bloating, improves bowel movement. A 2017 Japanese study showed 40% lower indigestion issues with regular ginger extract use. It also helps with weight management, increases calorie burning rate. A Columbia University study found daily hot ginger raised metabolism by 5%. The third drink reduces joint pain, especially for chronic rheumatoid patients. A clinical trial at Copenhagen University showed 63% of patients reported less pain compared to conventional drugs alone. It's also important for heart health, improves blood cholesterol levels, lowers LDL, bad cholesterol, raises HDL, good cholesterol, reduces the risk of atherosclerosis. Ginger supports brain health, improves focus and memory. A Thai study with 60 women showed 18% cognitive improvement after 2 months of ginger use. The third drink also relieves nausea, very useful for pregnant women, with doctor consultation. It also helps chemotherapy patients. The American Cancer Society reports confirmed these positive effects clearly. Ginger also helps regulate blood sugar, reduces glucose levels. An Iranian study with 88 patients showed 12% lower fasting sugar after 3 months of ginger supplements. After discussing previous drinks, now we move to the fourth healthy drink, simple, rich in nutrients, supports the body daily. This drink is green tea, globally popular and widely used, contains powerful antioxidants, known for its preventive role, used for thousands of years. Scientific studies confirmed its benefits. A Harvard University report in 2019 clearly stated, green tea reduces heart disease risk by 20%. A Japanese study showed over 40,000 participants, 5 cups daily consumption lowers death risk, up to 26%. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful compounds, anti-inflammatory, protect cells from damage, support the immune system continuously. It also helps with weight loss, boosts fat oxidation daily. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found regular green tea extract increases calorie burning, 4 to 17% per day. Green tea improves brain function, contains natural caffeine, less than coffee, provides gentle alertness, enhances focus and attention. It contains amino acids, especially L-theanine, which promotes alpha brainwaves, mental relaxation, and learning boost. University of Basel research confirmed L-theanine with caffeine improves cognitive performance, reduces stress noticeably, better than caffeine alone. Green tea supports oral health, reduces harmful bacteria growth, decreases persistent bad breath, protects gums and teeth, according to the American Dental Association. We have explored together the 4 natural drinks that restore body energy and support muscle building after 60. Each drink has unique benefits and complements the others in a complete system. First drink. Milk, collagen, cinnamon, feeds muscles and bones together, boosts natural protein, maintains strength, protects joints from weakness and cramps. Studies confirmed it is better than protein powder. Second drink. Greek yogurt, berries, chia, full protein, easy to digest, supports immunity and healthy digestion, enhances muscle mass, protects bones. Studies showed 18% muscle improvement. Third drink, hot ginger tea, reduces inflammation, improves circulation, aids digestion, relieves nausea, protects heart, balances blood sugar. Studies confirmed lower fat and joint pain. Fourth drink, green tea, full of catechins and antioxidants, boosts fat burning, reduces inflammation, protects the brain, improves focus, lowers risk of heart disease and cancer. Most important point to remember: daily consistency, not one single dose. After 60, the body needs continual nutrition. Each drink supports the other, enhancing the benefits of a balanced diet. Also, moderate physical activity, like walking and simple strength exercises, doubles the effect of natural drinks, speeds strength and muscle recovery, maintains heart and bone health. Don't forget to drink water regularly. Hydration is essential for vitality. Limit heavy processed meats, avoid excess saturated fats, keep liver and kidneys strong. This way, every day is an opportunity to boost health and energy, maintain muscle strength and flexibility, and enjoy an active, independent life after 60. Remember, these natural drinks, backed by studies and precise data, tested for seniors' suitability, best choice to build muscles and prevent chronic diseases. Start applying gradually now. Diversify between drinks to gain all possible benefits with these daily healthy habits and notice clear improvement in a few weeks. In short, muscle and bone health after 60 is absolutely possible. The key is smart nutrition and consistent activity. With these 6 natural drinks, regain body strength, energy, and vitality, and enjoy an active, independent, happy life.